Hola, hola, buenos dias from Costa Rica. Today we are going to Manuel Antonio National Park. It's one of the most visited national parks in Costa Rica, and it's known to be one of the most beautiful national parks in all of the world. So I'm so excited, let's go. So I just entered the park. When you enter the park, you have to wear a mask. And over there is where you pay, just to the left of when you walk in. You also have to wash your hands before you come in. So here we go. So it was $18 US to enter the park. Something I didn't know when I was coming here is that they don't take cash, and I only brought cash with me. But thank God I had my credit card and my debit card on my phone. So the water behind me is always this color because of the mineral deposits that come in the water. So it's really beautiful, naturally beautiful. I love it. I'm now headed to the Katarara Waterfall. I've kind of ventured off into the middle of the fauna. This way you have a better chance of spotting some animals. I've already spotted a few lizards on the trees in here because they don't get scared by the people walking by, because people don't walk by here. So just a little tip if you want to experience more of the nature, just to venture off into your own little trail. So happy I ventured out because I saw a deer. I saw, I don't know the name, it's like a really big lizard, I guess like a bigger iguana. And I saw smaller lizards, and I really recommend venturing off into your own little path. If your intuition says, oh, go over here, then go over there, because your intuition knows what's best for you. So I actually just found out that you're not supposed to venture off the trail, but it was worth it. So this is what the waterfall looks like. It's a pretty small waterfall, but the journey is always more exciting than the destination, right? Watch your step. All right, now we are headed down Sloth Trail. I wonder if we're gonna see some sloths. I don't think so because they sleep 20 hours a day.
Yeah.
¿Los perezosos andan siempre solos?
Por lo general andan solos, son animales solos.
That's pretty cool.
Miren mi
Hay
foto.
colors.
12
So I did see a sloth. So yeah, what we just saw there was a squirrel monkey, and squirrel monkeys are extremely rare in Costa Rica. The Ticos are actually worried that they're going extinct, so it's really cool that we saw that today.
Any populations in Costa Rica now, and it's we are getting a little bit afraid that he's running down to Panama.
Oh no. So how often do you see these squirrel monkeys?
Not every day. We got actually lucky today.
Wow.
Wow.
It's hard to get a picture of those guys. They're pretty active. Good.
So we just saw an agouti, was that little rat looking animal, an agouti.
You see that? It looks like a capybara.
Oh, yeah. And then we also saw a bunch of those white-faced monkeys. Those monkeys are not scared at all of humans.
And the reason they follow tropical monkeys, those guys, is because
Did you
the
see
monkeys
this squirrel
are
monkey?
also-
Checked up like a long time.
Video, are you videoing?
And, Somebody over the top, guys. No, that's the squirrel monkey. It's a different type.
Babies? Did it really just do that? I think when that monkey grabbed my hand, it was literally the best moment I've ever experienced in my life. So just wanted to share that. Behind me is a two-toed sloth baby.
Ah, exacto. Right here, you need the phone.
All right, now we're heading down to Playa Gemalas. Look at this clear water. So the beach over there, it's pretty crowded. It has no, I wouldn't say crowded. It has like a good amount of people there. If you want to, you know, have your own little private beach, you know, who doesn't want to have their own little private beach in paradise here? You could just walk a bit to the right, go over the rocks, and here we have a little private beach just for me and you if you come here. Yet another benefit of venturing away from the crowd. I just saw an iguana and I can change to my bathing suit here. Look at these rocks. Just so unique. And here's my mini beach. Look at this. Paradise. I'm about to go snorkeling here. Running about out of water, and I found this nice little stream of naturally filtered rainwater because it rained this morning. Look at that. It's crystal clear. It tastes so like mineral rich. Oh my goodness. All right, so I just finished swimming and snorkeling at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beach, and now we're back in the jungle. So we are about to go down to Hidden Port. Let's go see what Hidden Port has to offer. So this is Hidden Port. It was a pretty big staircase down, so if you're not up for climbing back up, I wouldn't recommend coming down here, but it's a pretty nice view. All right, we are about to start the Sendero Los Congos Trail. Here we go. I forget what the insect is called that makes these things, but this is gigantic. I've never seen one this big. I've spent countless hours venturing throughout the Amazon jungle, and I've never seen one of these nests so big. So I just saw another group of squirrel monkeys, which is so weird because all the locals were saying they're rare in Costa Rica and rare in general to see in Manuel Antonio. So it's so weird that I saw two separate groups of squirrel monkeys twice in my one day here in Manuel Antonio, and like a lot of people come here and they never see any, and I don't have a guide. So, you know, casually just another extremely beautiful lookout point, just casually, you know.
Mira, pusieron una torre aquí. Eso no está.
Guess it's just chilling now. I find this so cute. They have this rope going along here, specifically so the monkeys can cross. That's so cute. That would be the howler monkeys. Anyways, I am about to leave Manuel Antonio because the park is closing soon. I literally spent 9 hours here today. It felt like maybe 3 hours, and I could still spend so much more time here because there's honestly just so much to see, so much to observe, so much beautiful flora and fauna, and the beaches were wonderful, and I really hope this video gave you a good perspective of Manuel Antonio.